You're working as a senior professional in an IT company or a manufacturing company or the CEO of the company, which is based in the Pune East region, and you always have a dream life to show the world that you have arrived. One of the way to it is obviously owning a great estate. And at the same time, the second way is actually focusing on the things that you have never achieved throughout your career. For example, most of us who climb the ladder, they think that the fitness is one of the things we should be focusing on. Second, obviously when we become healthy, we would like to eat healthy. So obviously good food we should have close by. And the third important thing is obviously the better relationships. So for better relationships, we search for a better place where we can celebrate memories and moments together. Excellence Farms is the company into real estate from last 15 years. Understanding your challenges as the C-suite person who is climbing the ladder, we are coming up with one solution which can give solution to all your current points and which can also make your profitable asset. That's Excellence Farms coming up with a project called Shaantivan, which is exclusively CEO retreat weekend homes, and these are in the Pune East region. In today's video, I am going to elaborate more about where this project is, how the configurations are, and how you can apply for this project. So this is a 1 hour drive from Kharadi in IBM Kondwa or Hadapsar area, and you can just reach out to your party place, you can reach out to your farms, or you can reach out to your fitness retreat. Let's get down more into the details in this video. This is a CEO livable farmhouse gated community. This is in the Pune East region. Pune East means if your office is in Kharadi, Magarpatta, or if you are based in Viman Nagar, this is the ideal place for you to achieve your goals. So a lot of goals you are going to achieve because this is the place where you are going to live large. We'll first start with living large is your fitness goal. We are just in the foothills of Dhawalgad. Dhawalgad is one of the famous fort which is on the Pune Solapur road, and this is hardly 6 kilometers from the main national highway of the Uralikanchan. And this you can just go on trekking, hiking, or going on a walk or a cycling and come back in your farmhouse immediately. So your fitness goals, wherever you feel like when you are in the city, you can't go out much apart from a gym or walking. This is the way you can just come out of your farmhouse and go in the nature, go for the trekking. Second thing is healthy eating is the one thing which this project is going to give you. You are going to have your own farm grown veggies, and here obviously what you're going to get is you can opt for the service, like if you want to grow your own, you can opt for the gardening services. You can have a person who can pick and drop this veggies to your place on the weekends if you are not able to make it. Our concept is that it should become a party place for your family and your businesses. Like you're just coming out on Friday evening with your family and enjoying on your farmhouse on Saturday, Sundays, Monday morning, you are again back to the work. If it's a busy working day and you want to treat your team very well, this is your private farmhouse you can opt for. Location is at Dalim, which is at Uralikanchan. The project area is 7.75 acre, total 28 plots of 11,000 square feet, legally clear RATI plots. Location wise, if you see, this is the actual location. This is Pune city. From Hadapsar, it is 35 kilometers. Magarpatta city, Amenora, and Vimanagar, hardly 35 kilometers. So within an hour's time, you can reach to this place. And second thing is that from the main highway, it is roughly 6 kilometers. You are away from the main hustle bustle of the entire highway. At the same time, you are very close to the nature. Second important thing, Uralikanchan itself falls under the PMRD area, that is Pune Metro Regional Development Authority area. There is a MSRDC ring road going just 1.5 kilometers from our side. This is Mumbai Pandharpur ring road. So obviously you buy a number of area that you are going to buy, that is 11,000 square feet, is a high area. You're buying it at the appreciating location. At the same time, it is very close to nature. If you are aware of, Uralikanchan is very much famous for the nurseries in and around. It has Asia's biggest indoor nurseries in Uralikanchan. Second, Uralikanchan is also famous for the Mahatma Gandhi Nisargopchar Kendra. This area is much awaited by a lot of people in terms of the best of the foods it out. At the same time, there are good schools like MIT has their biggest university there. At the same time, nearby hospital connectivity is hardly 10 minutes drive from your place. So even if you feel that you are not a part of a city, you are outside city, but you can connect to the city's services immediately just in 10 minutes from our side. Already talk about Ring Road, PMRDA, IT parks in and around Eon, Kursungi, and Magarpatta. The best of the townships that are coming up near to the Uralikanchan area, and that's where we see there is a growth factor coming up in the same area. That's where we can see there is a huge development that is happening in and around, and that's going to attract the multiple opportunities for the people who have a good land bank near to the city. This is the layout of the site. In the site, we have plot number 24 to 27 is owned by one of the best school in the Pune, which is iCube Montessori. They are constructing their farm school here. So we are privileged to have them as our education partner. So obviously, farm schooling is a one thing that is going to be taught here. This side is the Dhawalgad, and from here we have the main entry gate, and here is the road. So internal road specification, as I mentioned, at the cement road, we provide the entire plot, chain link fencing, electricity, water, nameplate, and a gate for the plot. This is gated community where we provide the entire outer fencing is completed. I'll just show some of the photos. In terms of land acquisition, we provide Satbara. Once you book the plot, we give this entire file of 174 pages to you, which includes everything as far as the legal documents are considered. Excellence Farms is our umbrella brand. We are into market from last 15 years. We have completed more than 20 plus projects, 1500 plus clients across the globe in 7 countries we have. So that's where we have a legacy of a legally clear title projects executed. So our brand assurity is that once you book the land with us, if your lawyer finds any legal issue in our land, we refund the entire amount that you have paid to us. These are the actual photos of the site. This is outer fencing, which is a proper concrete fencing. There is an internal water connection is there. This is the cement road. This is what I was calling as a chain link fencing. We have a roadside plantation. Inside the plot, you can do any kind of a plantation because you're going to be a owner of the site. Now, coming to you can also, this is the livable community. So the construction is mandatory in the site. You can opt for different designs. We have in-house construction team. There is society which is going to be formed, and under the society, there is going to be a proper maintenance. So there are different designs for which you can select your construction part. Once you construct it, you can take it ahead with the rental if you want when you are not using. That's up to you. Few of our clients are NRIs, co-working space owners, architects, MDs of IT and manufacturing companies, and doctors. We look forward for the professional to have it as a CEO retreat weekend home, which is very close to Pune. And this is going to be community itself is going to fetch a lot of value in terms of upliftment and educating people. So we would be happy if you want more details on this. We would like to connect with you. So what are you waiting for? Do connect with our team. See if there are farmhouses available in our project. We'll be happy to serve you. Thank you so much.